Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. So we are in lecture 30 of mobile application development. In the previous lecture, we started discussing apps implementation and development, and we completed implementing the interface of the catalog activity. In this lecture, we are going to implement the editor activity, and we are also going to discuss string.xml file, which is used to store strings used in our apps. So it's in fact string.xml. So with that, I'm going to go back to Android Studio, and I think I should revise with what we have done so far. In fact, in the previous lecture, there were some typos, some mistakes, so I have corrected them. The first one was that list view ending was not here, so list view was also enclosing the image view, which was compelling Android Studio not to render the correct interface. And I also imported the correct images. The first one is add icon add underscore pet, and this will be the icon for adding a pet to your catalog activity, and this is for when you are done with saving a pet record. So this will be the icon for that. And when there is no pets in the catalog activity, so this means that the home is empty, and you will see an interface like this. So with that, I'm going to once again go to the catalog activity. In fact, the catalog underscore activity underscore catalog activity, and let me revise what we have done so far. So we have at the parent layout, we have a relative layout. Let me expand it. Then we have another relative layout. Let me expand it. Then we have one list view in order to display our pets information, and then we have one image view. This image will be displayed whenever we have no pet in the catalog activity. So let me collapse it. And then we have a text view. This text view will be displayed whenever there is no pet in the catalog activity, and it will display "It's a bit lonely here." This text is stored in our string file at the straight string empty underscore view underscore title underscore text. So let me tell you where the string file is. There it is, and there is our text. So let me go back to the catalog activity. Let me collapse this text view, and then we have for the floating action button, we have this code. The ID is FAB floating action button. I would also like to tell you that I also added some Gradle information that was com.google.android.material material 1.0.0. so you have to add this library in order to use the floating action button. So with that, let us go back to our catalog activity, and let us create another activity, and that activity will be editor activity. So let me go to this package, right click, new, and activity, and let me go to the gallery, select the empty activity, click next, give it a name. So I would like to give it a name of editor activity. So the layout name is activity underscore editor. Yes, this is fine, and the package is com.example.pets.app. The rest of the settings are fine. So let me click finish, and there it has started creating files for the editor activity dot Java class. So the Java class is created. We have some built-in code, which is like an editor activity, the extending app compact activity class, and we have one overridden method which is called onCreate, which is overriding save instance state which is overriding the same method in app compact activity class, accepting the bundle save instance state, and then we also call the onCreate method whenever we override an onCreate method, and we set the content view as activity underscore editor. So with that, I'm going to go to the activity underscore editor, because so far we are dealing with the editor activity. Let me have some space. Let me go to the text file, and there you can see that we have some auto generated code, which I'm going to replace it by my own code. And we are going to use a linear layout. So with that, I'm going to set the orientation to be vertical, and I'm going to set the padding to be 16 dB. So with that, let me go inside this linear layout and create a nested linear layout, which is called linear layout and match parent wrap content. Orientation is horizontal, and let me I don't want to close it. I just want to add some more items inside this linear layout. So with that, let me first add my text view. So you will see that layout generated over here. So text view, and this text is in fact an overview text. So remember to put all the text inside string file. So string category underscore overview. So I have to put this this text inside the string class. So let me go to the string class. Let me add another string. So what was the name? Category underscore overview. So let me close these PNG pictures. So the name is category underscore overview, and the value is overview. So now you see that the error has gone. Let me go back to the editor activity, and okay, I want to add a style for this text view. So let me write style. Remember to put all your styles at the style folder. So my style will be category style. Now this style is not there inside my style file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this style inside my style file. So let me go to the styles.xml. Let me go over here and let me create another style. So style name, and put item. So Android layout, what will be the height of our text? So height will be wrap content. So this is the first item of our style. Let me add other items as well. It's a daunting task, but this is what all programming is all about. And then we have layout underscore width. 0 dp, and then item name, layout weight, make it as 1 because I'm not using the width, I'm using the weight. Add another item, the name is padding top, and this will be 16 dp. Add another attribute which is called text color. Remember to put colors in the color file, so I'm referring the color file, and the color is color accent, which is I think a built-in color. And then add another item, and that item is name, font family, it's sans serif medium, and then add another item, that is text appearance. Text appearance small. So Android colon text appearance small. So with that our style is completed. Let me go back, and there you can see that the error has gone. So once again let me go to the editor activity, and let us add another nested linear layout. Inside of our linear layout, the height is wrap content, the width, okay, the height is wrap content, whereas the width is 0 dp. The weight is 2, and the padding left is 4 dp, and the orientation is vertical. So with that, inside this linear layout I'm going to insert an edit text. Alright, so the first thing, let me just remove these two attributes because now we have a style, and let's see which style to use. So our style will be editor field style. And some more attributes, the ID. So the ID is edit underscore pet underscore name, and the hint is name, and one last attribute which is input type, and input type is text caps words. Alright, with that our edit text has is finished. Now we can go to the style activity and add another style, which is an editor field style. So what will be the style of an editor field? So let me go back, editor, it's editor field style. So alright, let me add the style. So the name is editor field style, editor field style. Okay, so and the items are item name, layout height. So where is the height? All right, there it is. Layout height is wrap content. Add another item. Why is this showing us an error? Item name equals layout width. So width. So error has gone. Width is match parent. Item name is font family. So this is the style for our edit fields, and it is sans serif light. All right. Item name. So it's text appearance, medium. So this is our style for the editor text. So you see that when I inserted that style, the error has gone. All right, we can now move on to editing another edit text. In fact, it will be very much similar to the above edit text. So in order to save time, I'm going to copy this edit text, paste it over here, and this text is edit pet breed, and the hint is breed. And the rest of the attributes are okay, the style and the input type. So with that, I'm going to come out of the linear layout and then the other linear layout. Come over here. Remember this indentation because it may confuse you. And then let me insert another linear layout with the width of match parent and the height of wrap content. Putting the ID, which is container underscore gender. So it will contain the gender information. Orientation is horizontal. So with that, let me add a text view. We are also running out of time. So let me remove these default attributes because I do not want them. The first is text, which is in fact the gender, and then we have style at the rate of style / and the style is category style, which we haven't. Okay, so okay, this category style is, we defined this category style over here. So all right, so that is good. So with that, let me add another linear layout having width of 0 dp and a height of wrap content. Weight of 2, orientation as vertical. So inside this linear layout, I'm going to add a spinner. And alright, the width and the height. So width is wrap content, the height is 48 dp, and the ID is spinner underscore gender. And what else we can add? We can add padding left, it's 16 dp. You can see that layout at the right, so 16 dp. And the spinner mode will be drop down. So when you drop it, so you are going to select whether you want to select male or female. So with that, why is that we are not displaying the overview text view? And we are not able to display it. So let me check it out. So category underscore overview. So this is a string. So let me go to the string file. So it should display. All right. And let me also check the other text view, and that text view is gender. Okay, I think we are running out of time. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to start coding inshallah in the next lecture. So till then, take care and I'll see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.